Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Remember yesterday, got these 3 pipes done with the FAs. So I went ahead and put EMT out of those 3 and then 90'd up to the top. And then over here, 90 down out of the ceiling twice. One with a 3/4, one with a 1-inch. And then a 3/4 down the wall to the card reader box right there. And then over here for the lighting, took the 3/4 Smurf, put it into a 3/4 PVC coupling, and then into 3/4 PVC just because we didn't have any more 3/4 Smurf. So went ahead and put that all together, strapped that together, and then took EMT back out of the top of that box up through the floor, which I will show you here in a second. And then over here, stubbed down with the 3/4 again, just because this wall's not finished down here, and so that will connect into the box at 7'6", and that will come down to 7'6" into the box. And then walking up these stairs, it's kind of tricky because there's no floor in it, so it's like walking with high heels. Don't ask me about that. And then got the pipe coming up through the floor right here. Actually, no, it's not coming up through the floor. It's coming into a box right here. I 90'd out, and then there's already a Smurf coming through the ceiling, so I put those in a box. And then the Smurf right there going into that box, up through the wall again. Over here, the lighting again coming up through the floor right there. 7'6", another light up through the floor again, through the sleeve. And then over here, going back into the card reader right here for another box. And then the 1-inch right here, sleeve, going up through the floor. Right there, through another sleeve. The next card readers. 1-inch because 2 wires are going to be running through the 1-inch because one of the sleeves got blocked off, so had to share a pipe. Here is the other lighting continuing up through the floor. So that's where I got right there. I still have to run up one more floor to the next balcony or stairwell, like this little halfway point, halfway up to the next floor. So I got to run one more up to the next floor, right there. And then over here, went ahead and ran this one into another box right here for the lighting again, 7'6", right there. And then the card reader again, right there. So the 1-inch coming in with the 2 wires and then a 3/4 for the 1 wire going out up to the roof, which will be going through one of these lucky holes right there. That'll be going into another box right there on the little landing right here. And then still have to take this lighting up one more right above here, landing right there for light on that floor. And then I already told you I still have to run this conduit up from that box up to right about in here for that lighting for this walkway right there. And that should about do it. So that's basically all worked on today with Nick. Nick was helping me on and off, so working on these stairs, almost finished it. Just have to go another box there, pipe, another box here with a pipe, and then another pipe here with a box right there. So pretty close. So did pretty good. Day went by really fast, and no real complaints. All right, everyone, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back in the next one. Don't forget about the giveaway. Ends in about a day and a half. If you want to enter that, scroll back on my video page and find that. I'm doing a giveaway on the Cash App. And if you missed anything else, check the description and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. that will do it, guys. Thanks so much. Have an awesome weekend. God bless. Peace out.